Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. On behalf of the appellants, it is submitted that the appellants are working factories and therefore the coal supply which has been terminated by the respondents is illegal. Stop. Even there is a report of the learned sub-judge dated 15th December 2009, and in pursuance of this report also, the appellants are working units and hence the supply of coal which has been discontinued from October 2009 must be revived and resumed. Stop. It is further submitted that another report given by the Vigilance Bureau, Jharkhand, Ranchi, is absolutely a wrong report and no reliance can be placed upon it. Stop. This aspect of the matter has not been properly appreciated by the learned single judge, and hence the impugned judgment and order passed by the learned single judge dated 19th May 2010 in the writ petitions deserves to be quashed and set aside. Para. We have heard learned counsel appearing for the respondents who had submitted that the appellants were initially supplied 350 MT coal per unit per month from April 2009, and in July they were asked to submit utilization report along with other documents and information. Stop. These details were called in a prescribed format from 181 industrial units by the Directorate of Industries. Stop. The Department of Industries has given a report to the effect that 64 units were working while 14 units have not been established. Stop. The letter sent by the Department of Industries in respect to 62 units have returned undelivered, while in respect of 41 units no utilization report could be received by the Department of Industries, and therefore a decision was taken by the Secretary, Department of Industries, Government of Jharkhand, Ranchi, to cancel the allotment of coal in respect of 62 units whose whereabouts were not known. Stop. Thereafter, as per clause 11 within bracket 5 of Coal Supply Agreement number 1 dated 15th July 2008, the coal supply agreement was terminated. Stop. This letter was issued on 17th November 2009 in case of one of the appellants, namely Messrs. Shiva Coke Briquettes and Company, bracket start WP number 5369 of 2009, bracket close. Stop. This letter was challenged in the writ petition. Stop. It is further submitted by the learned counsel for the respondents that after receiving the report of learned sub-judge, a detailed counter affidavit was filed by the respondents, and it was brought to the notice of this court that the appellants are in fact not working units and they got the time of 9 to 10 days to manage the show by window dressing, because the order passed by this court dated 14th December 2009 for inspection by sub-judge was in fact carried out on 14th December 2009, and therefore the learned single judge rightly got a confidential report done through the Vigilance Department, and a letter was issued on 19th March 2010 to the Director General of Police, Vigilance Bureau, Jharkhand, Ranchi. Stop. This report was given by the Senior Deputy Superintendent of Police, Vigilance Bureau, Ranchi, Jharkhand on 3rd April 2010. Stop. The report was given in two sealed cover to this report. Stop. Copies of these reports were also given to the original writ petitioners. Stop. Over.